WordPress is a tool that helps people create and manage a website without needing to know how to code. In simple terms, it's like a website builder and content manager where you can add pages, write blogs, upload image, and change how your site looks using themes or plugins. It's commonly used for business website, blogs, and online store because it's flexible and customizable. Okay? So one major disadvantage of WordPress is the amount of maintenance it requires. To add basic feature like contact form, booking, email follow-up, or security, you need to have multiple plugins. You see this one? These are plugins. So each plugin must be updated regularly. Okay? Sometimes if you did not update it, it causes error, conflicts, or even break the website. So WordPress also requires you to maintain hosting, backup, security, and performance yourself or hire someone to do it. If maintenance is neglected, the site can break, become slow, unstable, vulnerable to hacking. Over time, this turned what should be simple website into ongoing technical responsibility instead of a tool that will just work. Okay? In reality, WordPress is just a website. It's a system you have to manage. WordPress itself, it says free software, but running a real business website on WordPress come with ongoing work. Costs, like for example, let's say you wanted to have Elementor, then it's gonna be subscription yearly. Okay, what if you wanted to have a form, right? If you wanted to have a pro version, then you need to subscribe. For security, then you need to subscribe as well. For SEO, you need to subscribe. So WordPress is free, yes, but the subscription from different plugin is not. Maintenance. What about if there will be update from WordPress itself or there will be update on Elementor? Then it might break, or maybe there will be a conflict from plugin. So those are the things that we need to understand. They say like, oh, I can create you like a WordPress. Yeah, maybe they're gonna use a template. But if you really love to have a custom made site, then you need to hire a developer, right? For you to give those features. So on top of that, WordPress require hosting, which is another paid services. You are responsible for keeping your WordPress core updated, updating themes and plugins regularly, and making sure you don't break. So this is not a good example. Okay, if I update now and I'm not subscribed already, then it will break. Okay, managing backup in case of something goes wrong, and protecting site from hacking. Oh, WordPress is really very vulnerable in hacking and malware. Okay, fixing speed and performance issue. Yes, WordPress, as you have too much file, too much plugins, it goes slow, and then you need to understand the PHP. You need to understand how it works. You need to adjust that PHP. Okay, and if your update are skipped and site becomes slow, it will become unstable. So we don't like. So owner really spend their own time learning technical tasks and pay developer and maintenance service every month. So while WordPress is powerful, it's described as do-it-yourself website platform. It works well if you understand hosting, plugin, update, and subscription, or if you're willing to pay someone to manage it for you.